How to fix PocketBase Permission Denied. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix permission denied on PocketBase. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, if you get permission denied when running the /PocketBase space serve on maybe Linux or macOS, now even though I'm showing you the process because this is the client on mobile, the binary file lacks executable rights, or maybe your current user account does not have write access to the data directory. Now in order to fix this particular issue, you have to make the binary file executable by running the chmod command in your terminal, right? And after you've done that, you have to also fix the directory ownership. So PocketBase automatically creates and reads a local folder called pb_data. If you previously ran PocketBase as a root, your regular user account won't be able to open it. So update the directory ownership to your current OS user. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.